Alliance with Team 9231 and 12599 against.
And for the red team, they'll have 7516 Uranium 235 and 9357 Get Pumped. Can we have the people from match 5 head to the tables for queuing? So for the red team, that would be 750 Gears in Motion and 10332 Technical Difficulties. Please head to the red table.
And for the Blue Alliance, can we please get teams 11089 Bites of Kit Kat and team 3058 Jury Riggers? And there's a dice roll. And it's not a 5.
It's a 4.
As the referees set up the field, can we please, again, get the match 5 contenders to queue up? That is for the Blue Alliance, team 11089 and team 3058.
And for the red team, can we have 750 and 10332 head to the red table?
All right.
Kathy, are we good?
Blue Alliance, are you ready? Red Alliance, are you ready? Score trackers, score keepers. All right, then let us begin. Heeding that technical difficulty. Then let us begin in 3, 2, 1. And all 4 teams are moving.
9357 is in the safe zone, as is Uranium 235.
And team 12599 has almost placed a glyph, but not quite. And that's the end of Autonomous.
Pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And they're off. It appears as though a part has fallen off of team 9231.
One 2599 has 2 glyphs, and they just put it into their crypto box, or is attempting to.
And team 7516 has managed to lodge a glyph in
The first and third spot?
That's not how physics works.
Nine 9357 has put their second glyph into their crypto box.
And
9357 has completed a row.
And as they've completed a row, team 12599 has completed their first column. And team 7516 has managed to dislodge their floating glyph. That's endgame.
Four, three, two, one. That's game.
Drivers, please put down your controllers. Well done, both teams.
And the scores for the Red Alliance are in.
Oh yeah, it's the full NXT card, so it's brain, hearts, and technical pieces. Yeah. Yeah, also apparently, we're not, it's been slightly stalled by trying to find something for shipment. It's just,
The scores for the Blue Alliance are in. It seems to be that we're missing a flag. We're missing a red flag. The scores are with the blue team scoring 131 points versus the red team who scored 84. Good job, blue team.